Welcome back, everybody. Today we are at Lake Varn. We're going to be doing some pictures of Jayla here, maternity shots. So we're going to be doing some on the cool bridge behind us, and we're going to try to find a few other shots. So y'all hang around and watch the video and check these out, and we'll show you the pictures at the end.
Look sideways also, Mom. Look up towards the plane. You got it. Where's the plane, Ashton? Do you see it? Do you see it up there? Can you see?
That's cute.
Yay! All right.
Get closer. Breathe.
You're okay if we use that side.
Okay. Come back up on here kind of far. Oh, yeah, right there. That's awesome. All right, you can put her in some poses, Nisha. So you're very good. Excellent. That was really good.
Okay.
Hey,
Chin down just a tad. Or bring your chin towards us a little bit. You got it. Like towards the down, towards the water. Yes. Love it.
okay. Looks very good. A little bit of a smile this time. Okay, look.
Towards your belly.
Bring your chin up just slightly, and then your eye. There you go. Open your eyes a little bit more. Now, I want you to look down, but I want to see parts of your eyes.
Balance.
Perfect. That's awesome. And that smile on this one is kind of glaring through me. Yeah. Yeah.
I wish the breeze would just pick it up and take it. All right, Daniel, do you want hair on both sides, or do you want me to pull it off?
Both sides. Twist toward me with your waist. Is what they go right there. That is beautiful.
You did a good job. Thank you. I'm trying. I'm trying.
Well, we didn't make it here last time. We got all kinds of wrong last time.
We did it.
But with the shots we got, we're still good. Chin around this way? Yeah. Three. Eyes are good.
All right.
So good. Hang on. Bring that chin this way just a little bit. Take it just a little bit more.
And no pressure, but even pressure.
Take all the time in the world you need, as long as it ain't more than 8 minutes. 3. Wow, these are so pretty. Holy cow. Good.
Have you changed it?
Yeah, it's behind. Yeah, well. See right there. Perfect. There you go. Give me a little more smile. Roll your chin this way. Chin down just a little. Oh, wow. So good. Oh, yeah, so it's like that. That was really good. That was so pretty. Come here real close.
I'm excited.
Bring your chin this way. Go back over. I got a blinking now. Let's do one more. Good. And there we go. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.